delicious Costco water. Hi, hello, how are you? My name is Anna Tenbensel. Welcome back to my channel. For those of you who just see me for the first time, welcome. For those who have seen me before, welcome back. I was on like a 2.5 to 3 week hiatus. I was traveling like all over, like literally all over the country, multiple states for the last couple of weeks. So I am excited to be catching up on these videos and tutorials. While they won't be live coded, I'm going to go through and like explain each line by line because I think that's pretty helpful. And this is no better place to start than problem number 1 in the LeetCode problem set, which is two-sum. You are more than welcome to read this question by yourself. I actually did 2 solutions for this. I did one in Python and one in Rust. I'm going to go over Python in this video, and I'm going to make a separate video and playlist for all my Rust solutions, along with other solutions later on down the road. So feel free to read through this. I kind of wanted to go over my solution here, which is not super complicated. I don't think I did too great on it. Yeah, it only beat, in terms of memory, 36% of people. But in runtime, it beat 88. So it had some goods. It had some goods. It had some ups, had some downs. But going over this solution here, I want to go back to the description because I want you guys to be able to see. Perfect. So we start with, this is what comes with the, here, let me show you really quick. Comes when you preload the page. So let's say like that. So that's what comes. I just deleted this part. I didn't need to, but that's what it would look like, right? That's a full thing. Now I started keeping that. I didn't before just because I was trying to keep it fewer codes or fewer lines of code. Jeez Louise. It's 10:26 at night. It's a struggle sometimes. So I started with a dictionary or a hash map mapping. And that's here. And you can see that we initialized that to store numbers encountered on the list as keys with their corresponding indices as values. So then next we kind of go down to this for loop here. So this for index value in enumerate nums, which basically iterates each element in the nums list along with its index. So then we break it down for the diff, and the diff is basically calculated as the difference between the target and the value. So target and value. This difference just basically represents the value needed to complete the target sum. So yeah. So in the diff, in mapping down here, diff basically exists in mapping, which basically means that a previous number has already that has already been encountered can be added to the current value to achieve that target sum. So in this case, the function immediately returns a list containing the current index and the index of the previously encountered number. This basically effectively indicates that the indices of the two numbers that they add up to the target. So then we kind of end here with else. So else mapping value equals index. So basically, if the diff is not found, right, in the mapping, it means that the current value is not paired with any previous number to achieve that target sum. So in this case, a current value and its index are added to the mapping dictionary up here for future reference. So I hope that makes some sense. That's how I approach this problem. I think I would do it a tiny bit differently now, and I can do that in another video. But overall, to kickstart this LeetCode journey, this was a pretty solid start, and I think it kind of did what I needed it to do. Obviously, I could do better with the memory of it, but it's part of practicing every day and learning and growing, and I've been trying to do that as much as I can, even when I'm traveling, driving, flying, on a boat. There's been a lot going on, and I've been trying to do this every day, if not work on code every day. So I hope that makes some sense to you guys for this first problem here in Python. And again, I will show you guys the Rust solution in a different video. And that would be this solution here. It didn't really do as well as I needed it to, so I will be revisiting this problem later on. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.